Hi viewers, welcome to traditional home style cooking channel. Now I am doing a vegetable rice with beans, carrot and ginger garlic paste, mint leaves and coriander leaves and green chili, soya which was soaked in hot water. It becomes soft and with big onion and small size tomatoes and spices, cinnamon, cloves and somb and 2 ilachi and red chili powder and turmeric powder. First, crush these coriander leaves and mint leaves in the grinding stone and chop all the vegetables like this. Now, ready to do the vegetable rice. First, take cooker, heat well. After heating, add 6 spoons oil to this and 1.5 spoon ghee. Add to this. After heating, add spices, so that after heating spices, if we add means it gives flavor, good flavor. After that, we can add onion. See friends, it was frying. A nice aroma is will come while it was frying. Now add onion. While it was frying onion, add ginger garlic paste 1 full spoon, so that it is also well cooked, well fried in the oil. So while onion was frying, add ginger garlic paste and coriander and mint leaves paste also add to this. Add beans, carrot and green chili. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Like this, fry it with the spoon, mix well all sides, let it fry well. After that, add potato and soya. Fry it for 1 minute. After that, add tomatoes to this. Fry well in a big flame. While it was frying, take the rice and wash for 2 times. And now add rock salt, 2 spoons. I am adding rock salt to this, and half spoon red chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add it. For 1.5 cup rice, I take 4 cups of water. In this ratio, I am adding water and add rice to this. While water was boiling, add rice to this and gently mix and add 1 spoon ghee to this. And in this time, we can check whether the salt was correct or not. If the salt was needed means we can add at this stage. Now add some ghee to this, so that it gives more taste and flavor. Now leave for 4 whistles, and now ready to do this raita with curd and green chili and coriander leaves. And I am taking cucumber for this. Half cucumber I am taking for the raita, and 1 small size onion. So now chop these coriander leaves and add to it, and chop green chili and add to this cucumber. I am peeling the outer layer and chop into pieces and add to the curd. Cucumber chopped into small pieces and add to the curd. like this, chop into small pieces. For the vegetable rice, this type of raita was very tasty, friends. So I am doing a raita with cucumber. We can add cucumber to this raita. It will gives different taste. And now chop this onion into small pieces. Now onion was chopped into small pieces and add to this curd and mix well. Now I am taking 1/4 spoon salt, add to it, and 1 pinch sugar add to it. So the raita will be very tasty, friends, if you add 1 pinch sugar. Mix well with the spoon, and if it is thick, we can add some water, so the raita will be tasty for the vegetable rice. Now the raita was ready for the vegetable rice. Tasty cucumber raita was ready. Please subscribe my channel, friends. Those who subscribe my channel, I am very very thankful to each and every person. And please give like, share and subscribe, and give your valuable comments. If you do this type of recipe means, please comment me yes. If you add some more vegetable means, what vegetables you added, please comment it. Now steam was gone, and open the lid and ready to serve, and taste with raita. Tasty vegetable rice was ready. This vegetable rice with cucumber raita is perfect for lunch, and this is good for the lunch box for the children. We can send this for the lunch to the childrens. It is very tasty and perfect lunch, and ready to serve with cucumber raita. Thank you for watching my channel, friends. Serve with raita and enjoy the taste and flavor. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.